Hi, Declan Breathnach here, TD for Louth and Coastal Meath. 4 years ago, you, the people of this constituency, elected me to Dáil Éireann. It's been a huge honour, and since then, serving you is something I've been incredibly passionate about doing every single day. Ireland has come a long way, but in many ways, this constituency and this country still face many challenges which have been neglected. Our housing system is at a crisis point. Too many, the ambition of owning a home has become far beyond their wildest dreams. Our health services are stretched out, held together at the seams by overworked staff that we unfairly lean on too heavily, time and time again. Violence and drug-related crimes dominate our local news every week, and Gardaí are under-resourced and struggling to get to grips. The insurance situation and broader cost of living are spiralling out of control, putting extreme financial pressures on individuals and local businesses and community groups. There is no doubt that in many ways Ireland is performing well on the international stage, but we need more than just that. We need an Ireland for all. Every week I deal with hundreds of issues faced by individuals and families, all the way from Meath right down to Louth town, in all walks of life. I've challenged this government on many issues, such as healthcare provision, proper respite facilities for families. Indeed, I was instrumental in the campaign to keep Shruchan House running. I've campaigned the Dáil time and time again for a better deal for our agricultural community. And indeed, if farm payments are delayed, farmers should be in a position to receive 80% of what is due to them on account. I have been a voice of the North East for many small business owners through looking for a fair deal on their insurance, on commercial rates, and in an effort to stamp out illegal smuggling. I've insisted that the priorities for our border region are kept front and centre throughout these turbulent political times ahead, and indeed the oncoming Brexit fallout. I've pushed to secure a special 28 million economic package for the border region that is designed to mitigate the effects on Brexit and stimulate growth. This election, the choice is clear. More of the same, or a new Fianna Fáil-led government committed to action on health, housing and the cost of living. In 2016, you put your faith in me as a new TD, and this time I think my track record speaks for itself. I have the experience, the commitment and the fundamental understanding of this constituency and its most pertinent issues and challenges to continue to represent you in Dáil Éireann. I am asking you to give me your number one vote on Saturday the 8th of February and to continue your preference for Councillor James Byrne. Thank you.